everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about a premium residential project located in Bangalore's rapidly developing Mysore Road corridor. The project is called Aranya and it has been designed for home buyers who are looking for spacious home, modern amenities and a long-term investment potential. So in this video we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview. So Aranya is a premium high-rise residential development that brings together modern living, spacious layout and a thoughtfully planned lifestyle feature. The project is spread across approximately 6 acres and consists of 3 residential towers. Each tower rises up to ground plus 30 floors, creating a striking presence in the Mysore Road skyline. In total, the development offers 418 apartments with a 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK configurations. The expected possession timeline for this project is January 2031. And what makes Aranya stand out is its focus on spacious living. Whether you are upgrading to a large home for your family or looking for a premium long-term investment, this project is designed to cater to both needs. And now let's talk about the location, which is one of the key highlights of this project. So Aranya is strategically located on Mysore Road close to Janan Bharti metro station in one of the Bangalore's fastest growing residential corridor. The metro station is approximately 2 to 5 minutes away, making daily commuting much more convenient for residents. Nice Road can be reached in around 10 minutes, providing smooth connectivity to different parts of the city. Kenderi is also approximately 10 minutes away. For working professionals, Global Village Tech Park is also located around 5 to 10 minutes away, while Electronic City can be reached in approximately 30 to 40 minutes. With a metro access, strong road connectivity, and proximity to major employment hubs, this location offers convenience for both professionals and families. Moving on to the lifestyle experience offered at Aranya, the project comes with a wide range of premium amenities that have been thoughtfully planned to enhance everyday living. Residents will have access to a grand clubhouse that serves as a social and recreational hubs within the community. There is a swimming pool for relaxation along with a fully equipped gym for fitness enthusiasts. For indoor recreation, the project includes an indoor games room, while jogging and cycling track provide dedicated spaces for an active lifestyle. And now let's take a look at the apartment sizes and pricing. So Aranya offers spacious 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK residences with the sizes ranging from 2117 square feet to 2944 square feet. The pricing starts from 3.16 crore rupees onwards. The rate is approximately 13,990 rupees per square feet onwards, with a generous floor plan, premium specification and a large living spaces. These homes are well suited for buyers looking for a premium residential address in Bangalore. Now coming to the booking process, so it is simple and transparent. The first step is to schedule a site visit and explore the project firsthand. Once you have selected your preferred unit, you can proceed with the token amount payment. After that, the request documentation can be completed to move forward with the booking. Premium high-rise development in rapidly growing corridor like Mysore Road continue to attract strong buyer interest and hold significant long-term appreciation potential. For brochure, pricing, detail, payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.